Okay, there's the beach right there, Rayong. So you might hear my voice and you'll hear another voice at times as well. And we're going to be driving into the sunshine of Rayong. To the left, the beach. This is kind of a beach road, I guess. So stay tuned, let's do a little intro before we get going. 2023, COVID is over and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok. So stay tuned and check it all out. Driving down Beach Road and we can see some beaches to the left there, and we can see the traffic straight ahead. I guess we could actually move this over to the beach side. Let's do that. So I'm going to move the camera. I'm going to show it to the beach so you can actually see it over on this window side. And there you go. Now you can see the. So I guess I'll just let it play because I won't narrate it because actually the audio's not so good from this side. So Lance, you want to say anything?
There's the water. There's some rocks. There's some flags. Looks like this place is gonna be kicking off at nighttime. I'm assuming that people from the city, it's a very big city up here, that they'll be coming down to the beaches, drinking some beers, having some food.
Far away from Pattaya anyways.
I'd say at least 50 kilometers away, if not more, maybe 75. Could be 100.
I think it's less, but I think, let's see.
Depends on the road you take.
66 kilometers.
There we go, 66. I was right in the middle. So yeah, it's definitely different down here. Not very many foreigners. We haven't seen any at all. So road less traveled south of Pattaya.
I think this beach in particular, a lot of people will park, and so we're going to see lots of restaurants lined up.
Yeah, looks like some makeshift restaurants out here, barbecues. Lots of people in this city, so they probably on a Friday, Saturday night, they'll come on down here. And also people just visiting this city for whatever reason. Like to get close to the beach. Who wouldn't? Yeah, there's all these little tiny coves. I guess those rocks are probably up there as breaker walls, because if storms come through,
there's some rough waves that break through there.
Yeah, I could see some storms, water coming up on the road here. So,
well, condos. You see any good condos around here yet?
Yep, see some condos over here on the right, overlooking the beach. Looks like some good prices too. We didn't go see them ourselves, but around $50,000 or so. So you could probably buy a condo, not necessarily with a sea view, but looks like the price is about 1.79 million. So that's about $50,000 to have that right there, or at least nearby. Pretty amazing if you think about it. Harder to do if you go up north, obviously, to Pattaya. So, but still not too far away.
I'm kind of surprised at how long the beach is too.
Yeah, some nice little coves here. Sand looks clean. Some longer stretches of beach up here, or coming up here. Yeah, I'd like to explore Rayong a bit more. people out there enjoying the sunset that'll be coming up. Makeshift, yeah, they got little drinks and stuff going. Pretty nice.
See, would you ever consider buying a condo in this area?
Yeah, if I get to know the city a bit more, it's possible. Especially with some decent prices here. Yeah, it looks alright. People selling clothes, foods, drinks. Free market right here for sure. Yeah, they got set up some chairs there, some parasols, fish. Yeah, quite nice. Oh, nice. People here just set up their chairs.
I think this actually would be kind of interesting because I never really saw the beach of Rayong. Didn't really, like, not many people would drive it anyways. They would just come to one beach with their
Yeah.
tourists with a YouTube camera probably.
Right. Yeah, this coastline goes up for quite a while, seems. Eventually we'll hit a place where we can't go, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like we could go for at least another 2-3 kilometers, but I'm gonna, by 1.4, I'm gonna
Yeah.
move in a little bit.
There's one there.
Yeah.
Kind of look like Anthony Bourdain.
Yeah, this looks alright too.
Yeah. It all looks pretty good. Similar pattern, rocks, little tiny beach. They really thought about what they were doing. off in the distance off to the right, there are some kind of factories or maybe oil refining places. I'm not sure what's up there, but it gets a little bit industrial up there, so we're just south of there. Kind of see it off to the side, maybe. Smokestacks, but pretty clean beaches down here. Back there?
Just past it.
Yeah, so we'll see off here to the left. You'll see a couple smokestacks and some industrial stuff, but don't let that scare you. These beaches are quite clean and nice. Good on the up ahead. I'll tell you if the car comes. You're clear up ahead. Don't worry, you're good. You're good, you're good, you're good, you're good. Yep. Alright, good job.
And that's it for the Rayong, for the beach. We'll leave it on for a moment and just drive out of it, and then we'll...
Yeah. So between that beach and kind of the main street up here in Rayong, we kind of got this area here. There is some kind of a river or right through here, a little bit up here, I guess. Going over a bridge. There's some waterways, but it's very lush. Not dry at all down here. It's pretty close to the main street. Not too far, a couple kilometers maybe.
Sukhumvit Road, here we come.
Yeah. You're good on the left. You're good on the left.
Chinese lions there, protectors.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you see lots of Chinese, Japanese riding around here.
And I guess we'll turn the camera off, so hope you guys enjoyed it. Another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them.
Toma cuidado la